a while ago, I asked you if you have a serious boyfriend, right? Can you answer that now? Do you have a serious boyfriend now?
Pick wisely,
Yeah. Mhm.
pick wisely because not all of us are have a good no good
Good
heart.
heart.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We we head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it.
Hello, this is Maggie from PinayWise.com, and today we're here in Jordan Consolacion. And talking with me now is Faith. We will talk about her thoughts, feelings, hopes, and dreams. So keep watching. This will be very interesting. Hi, Faith.
Hi, Miss Maggie.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, now let's talk about your quick bio first. So please tell me all about yourself. Okay, your name and how old are you? Where do you live? Something like that.
Hi, everyone. My name is Faith Inot. I am 22 years old, living in Pulpugan, Consolacion. I am currently studying at Indiana Aerospace University, taking Bachelor of Science in Airline Management.
Okay, thank you, Faith. Faith, do you have a big family?
No, miss, I only have one sibling.
You only have one sibling. Is
Yeah,
it a boy or a girl?
a boy.
A boy. And how old is he?
He is 16 years
Oh,
old.
he is almost adult
Yeah,
already. Okay. And so you only have one siblings and you're taking up bachelor's of science
science
in
in airline.
airline
Yeah, airline management,
airline management in Indiana
Aerospace University.
Aerospace. And while you're studying, do you have any side job or part-time jobs?
Before, miss, I do have, but
Mhm.
right now I don't accept any ano na because I'm
Work.
focusing, yeah, on
Oh, you're not accepting any job as of now because you want to
actually, it's not
focus.
really a job, miss. It's just a sideline like modeling, like
Ah, I
that,
see.
brand
Yeah, because you're
ambassador.
beautiful and you have a good body also. That's why you're good to you're it's good to be a model also because you will know many connections,
Yeah.
right? Okay. And what modeling did you try?
Um, mo modeling jud siya, miss. Like,
Like walking
yeah.
only,
I also
catwalk.
joined pageantry. Yeah.
Oh, here in Consolacion?
No, in Daan Bantayan.
Really? And how
Yeah.
was it?
It it's fun, miss, and the pressure, I
Yeah.
guess.
Yeah, okay, understand. But whatever you doing right now, are you happy?
Yes, miss.
You're happy. Just you're just focusing on your study. Are you
Mm.
graduating already?
No, miss, I am third year.
Third year.
Yeah.
Second semester.
Yeah.
So by next year you'll be a fourth year college already. Okay, I see. Okay, what are your favorite things to do?
I do love singing, miss. Actually, yeah.
Oh, really? You do love singing. Is it okay if you can tr- give me a
Really,
sample?
right
Yeah, just a
now.
little bit. We just want to hear
You
your
suggest a
voice.
song, miss?
What song? Yeah, any English song.
Hmm, I can't think of any.
Oh my god.
But you suggest, maybe I'll try to.
What? Oh,
Hmm,
your love. Yeah.
what's that song? Ay, sige, I don't know, my own. And a few stolen moments is all that we share. We keep your family and they need you there. Though I've tried to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do.
Wow! You have a really nice voice. Thank you. Thank
Mhm.
you so much for the sample. At least our viewers will know how good singer you are. Okay. Do you have many close friends, Faith?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Mm,
in your place and also in school.
yeah,
But close friends.
like really close. I guess I can just count them on my fingers.
Ah, really?
But I
Okay.
do have lot of friends.
But not close friends.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you, yeah, you said you're the eldest, right? But do you consider yourself as a breadwinner?
No,
No,
miss.
because your parents
Mm.
support you
Yeah,
and
they
all
can
things that you
provide.
need that provides you for your school,
Yes.
anything you need. Okay, that's good. And after you graduate, what is your first job you think of to apply?
Being a ground staff, miss.
Ground
Yes,
stop in an
yeah.
airport.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a nice
Mm.
job. Also, and I hear that if you're working in airline, you have a free tickets going to somewhere, some
Yes, miss.
places.
If you're, I guess it's just for flight attendants, but I
Ah,
don't know about ground staff.
oh, I see. Yeah,
Mhm.
but your dream also is to be a flight attendant.
Yes, miss. But first, I'll be
You want
working on
the
ground first
ground
for
first
training.
training. Ah, okay. Okay, Faye. Okay, Faye. That's all for your quick bio. And I just want to ask you if you have a serious boyfriend. But before you answer that one, you will answer that one at the end of this video. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good. Is it okay if I ask you some personal questions at the end of this video also?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now let's move on about your hardships in life. You
Mm.
know, all the people, not all, but almost all the people try to have a hardship in their life, no? But for you, do you grow up in a city or in a province?
In a city.
In a city.
Mm.
So here in Consolacion, right?
No, miss. Actually, in Mabolo,
Ah,
and
in
then
Mabolo.
after we transfer in Mandaue,
And then you transfer in Mandaue.
and we
Yeah.
transferred here in
Yeah.
Consolasyon.
What is it like being a girl growing up in the city?
Actually, miss, my parents is very strict. So I am just at home always. I am not
Oh,
allowed to go out anywhere.
oo.
And if ever I will go out, I will still ask permission for to them, but they will still not allow me. So I don't know what's the outside of.
Mhm.
I don't experience
Like do bar,
yeah.
going to the
I
bar.
do it right now, miss. Now only, but being teenager, don't
Ah, I
now only
see.
when I 19, I guess. 19,
Okay.
20.
Oh. Yeah, I think because your parents just want to
Yeah, I do
protect
understand them.
you, and they really just want you to graduate first before you go out of the outside
Yeah.
world, because maybe they're scared you might get pregnant or something else. Maybe that is why they not allowed you to do
They're
that. They're
afraid.
afraid, yes. But actually sometimes at the end you will, after everything, when you graduate and when you become a mother or a parent, you will say to yourself, oh, now I understand why my parents is like that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think there is a big difference in a girls from the province and girls from the city?
I guess it's no, miss. It depends on
Mm.
how they will act on their own because it's their choices. Because I also have friends in province, but they do not act like the shy type girl.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
they're just like city girls.
Oh,
I
that's,
mean, for me, it depends on their choices.
I
They want
see.
to be,
How girl or how to be a
yeah.
person. Yeah, okay. How has your life been good so far?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
There's a lot of difficulties, but
difficult. You can still
mm,
face it.
yes.
Yeah, because there's no problem that it will not be done,
Mhm.
or everything happens for a reason, right? And soon it will be done.
Mm.
Okay, do you make enough money to have a good life now?
I guess just a little. I
Just a
don't know. I
little.
can't say
Yeah,
really,
because you
miss.
told me that you're not accepting any side job already
Oh,
because
yes,
you're
yes.
focusing about your
Mhm.
your school,
Mhm.
right, to graduate. But so what you do is you just pick some side job jobs
Yes.
only.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
Jobs
Yes,
only.
Miss.
And the money that you get from that you picked is that just for your own.
Yes, Miss. Just for my own.
Oh, okay. To buy
I
everything you need.
sometimes I will buy food for my mom, for
Oh,
my brother. My
all right.
father is not here
Oh,
abroad.
okay. He's abroad. May
Yeah.
I know what country?
I don't know, Miss. Actually, he's a seaman. So
I see. Understand. How long did your father been working in a cruise ship?
since I know I was not born pa, Miss. He's already
Ah,
working
really?
overseas.
Oh, I see. Okay. What is the hardest thing about your life?
For me, Miss, I guess being the eldest daughter
Mm,
because I the pressure is there.
yeah,
I because I am already 22, and then in this age, I guess some of my batch are already
graduate,
yeah, graduate, and then
have
they
their
have
own work
job. Yeah.
jobs.
Then
Yeah.
for me, I was just there still studying.
Yeah. You know, take your time.
Yeah.
Life is not a racing. You have God will put you in a place in a perfect time. Don't what you call this? Don't push yourself to do the things that you don't want to do. Just take your time and enjoy the life that you're having now. You'll be there in the right time.
Yes.
Yes. You study as the good thing is you're studying.
Yeah.
The bad thing is you're not doing something.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. What hardships have you and your family experienced?
I guess the time where my brother was sent to the hospital because he has this something on his body. I forgot what's the name, but I guess it's purpura. And we celebrated Christmas and New Year in the
Purpura.
hospital.
Something like what is it?
Something on his skin, miss. Like
Oh, okay.
red dots, something in
Oh,
his skin like
maybe it's
that.
a kind of like an allergy. Maybe he ate
No,
something.
miss, it's not
Oh
really because he vomit blood already.
my
Just like that.
gosh.
Yeah,
Oh.
that was
And
the
then
really hard
is
one.
that how? What year is that?
I guess before COVID-19,
I see.
2019 or
So
2018.
young that
Yeah, he's
time.
so young. Also me, miss. I'm also high school.
Yeah.
I learned that time to be independent woman because I am the only one in the house.
Oh.
Because my parents was there in the hospital with him. So still I'm
Oh.
still studying. I
Doing
j-
everything by
yeah.
yourself. Okay. But how is your brother now?
It's
Is he
fine
fine
already, miss.
already
Thank God.
after he moved out to the
Yeah.
hospital? So what is the doctor's findings? Did you remember?
It's about his ano, miss, immune system.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. Because he's so active, like very hyper,
Mm, yeah,
kids.
yeah.
Yeah, she's like that. So I guess I don't know what really causes it, but it's about his immune system.
Oh, I see. But the good thing is he's fine
He's fine
now.
now.
In our family, and if someone will ask us, what are the hardest thing happened to your family? It is all about when something's bad happened to a family member
Yeah.
that you can do anything, everything just to save or just to help each other. Our backbone is our own family because whatever happens to us, the family will stick together,
Yes.
right? The family will be the family, right? But yeah, I'm happy that everything is fine now.
Thank God, miss.
Yeah, but your mom is a housewife only,
No, miss.
working
She's
also. May I know what is the job of your mom?
It's in the office, miss, for
Ah, okay.
Ayala Center, Cebu.
Okay. Oh, I see. So every day she works,
Yeah.
and then you're the only one, and your brother stay in your house.
Mm. But
Okay.
every she has her day off every Saturday and Sunday.
Ah, I
Yeah.
see.
So we can spend time to each other.
Okay. And your father, did he open go home? No.
His contract also is like 4 months, I guess, or
Ah,
five
really?
months. Yeah, before he will go come home here.
Ah, so every 5 months he go back. He go back here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good
And then
because
for 1 month he will go back again.
I see. But I think it's good because
Mm,
the salary there is nice.
yeah.
And it's not like other employment outside the country that they need to stay there for how many years before they go home. At least maybe every special occasion you celebrated it together with your father.
Yes.
How about this coming Christmas? Is
No,
he
miss.
coming home?
No.
No?
I guess next year, February or January.
Ah,
Last month of the January.
yeah, maybe because it's holiday. It's so we're
Mm.
super busy in their
Yes.
cruise. Okay, now we're done about the hardships about your life. Now let's talk about your goals
Ah,
in life. Who has been the most influential person in your life?
for me, miss, before when I do pageantry, I really like to be Miss Pia Orchbach. The
Ah, yeah.
the hardship she has, like, joining again and again because
Again, yeah.
yes, because she was not picked to be
Mm-hmm.
the winner. So
Yeah.
yeah,
And
she
also
joined again.
Catriona.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes.
Catriona.
Catriona did not win World.
Yeah, Miss
That
World.
Yeah, then when she
She joined
joined Miss
Miss
Universe,
Universe.
she won, and
Yeah.
she's been one of the most what you call this known
Mm-mm.
um winner for that Miss Universe because of her lava walk or something
Yes,
like that.
Miss.
Yeah, yeah. I like Pia actually. Pia is so good. Like she didn't she didn't give up,
Yeah,
and
she
they
didn't
keep
give up,
on
Miss.
trying and trying and trying.
I think it was her third time.
Third time, then on
Yeah.
the third time she said, if I did not won now, I will not join again.
Yes.
And the last time that she joined, she won.
She
And that
won.
time someone was called
Yeah.
I think it's Miss
Colombia. Yeah.
Colombia. That is one of the most memorable Miss
Mm,
Universe, right? And but Tia handled it
very
properly in a
well.
good way also. But yeah, that's so funny. That's a story about the
Yeah,
Tia,
that's why I
right?
like her, Miss. And she's not like maarte, like,
Yeah, yeah.
because when you mention her in Instagram, she
Mm.
will heart your post like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why I'm so happy when she noticed me.
Oh,
Yeah, I
really?
got screenshot because I was so happy. Oh my God, Miss Pia noticed me.
Yeah. Maybe when you graduate, you can join more pageant.
I maybe miss, but I'm quite tired.
Ah, yeah. It's just politics when you join
Yeah,
a
miss.
pageant.
Mhm.
You need to have something who can something have
Yes.
connections. Yeah, pageants
That's what
now is
no,
about
that's not what
politics
I like,
already.
miss. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, you enjoy your life. You work and get that
Yeah.
all the money that you can get and enjoy life together with your family. Okay, what insecurities, if any, are you willing to share?
For me, miss, I'm really insecure about my face because, being a girl,
Mm,
for me, I'm not pretty. I'm not
really?
gorgeous. Yeah, that's for me, miss. That's my insecurity. But, sometimes in myself, I'm beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah, but when I first saw you a while ago, I told you that, oh, you're beautiful. So I didn't say beautiful to all the women.
Oh, my,
Yes.
that's,
Yes. I only say it to a person that I think is beautiful. Because your face, you don't need any makeup.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just now you only have the
Eyebrow.
eyebrows and lip tint,
Mm.
so that's all, no? But yeah,
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
but yeah, you're beautiful. But the most
Thank
important is
you.
to be beautiful inside and out.
Yes.
It's not good to be beautiful on the outside, but
Mm,
bad in the
the
inside.
inside. Yes.
God will bless you more if you're good inside. If you face, that's a given,
Mm.
but being a good person, it's not that easy, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's your definition of fulfilling life?
Fulfilling life. I guess it's good, miss.
Mhm.
Because, I think it's also hard because, in this generation,
Mm.
I don't know where to start.
Mm.
Something like that.
But I think for you, because I saw that you're a family oriented person.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, so I think for you, everything that will good happen to your family will fulfill your life.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes, miss.
So now you want to have a stable job, right? So that you can give back to your
Yes,
family.
miss. Because I'm already pressured. They're not pressuring me, but I'm pressuring myself.
Did your parents pressuring you?
No, miss. Actually, no. Me
As long as
only.
your parents did not pressure you, don't think about the others. As long as your parents trust you, don't think of the other people. They're always they will just stay at your back.
Yeah.
If because if you will let them control you, you cannot focus. That's all. Okay. How do you define success in life?
Success, miss. I think that's for me. I think I will be very happy, miss, if I'll be successful.
Yeah. But what how do you define success in life?
Like,
Like achieving all your goals, something like that.
okay. Yes, miss. But for now, I really like is that to have a job when I graduated.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And to have a stable life,
Yes,
right?
miss.
And enjoy.
Mm.
Okay. What does happiness mean to you, and how do you pursue it?
Happiness for me, miss, is like spending time with my family. If also my father is here,
Yeah.
if we're complete, that's
Yeah.
and spending time also with my grandfather,
Okay.
grandmother, where they're in the province.
Yeah. But how do you pursue it?
Mm, I guess being happy lang, miss.
Yeah, be happy.
Yeah.
And of course, you wait for that
Mm,
time, right? Because I think for you it's so important to spending time with your family
yeah.
for you to be complete because your parents is not always there, not like the other, not like everybody. Maybe because it's that um one of your happiness is to bond with your family. Okay, how do you feel about adventures or trying new things?
I am very happy about it, miss. Like, I tried to have, eat something that I did not eat
Yet.
before, go
Mm.
somewhere I didn't went
Do
to, yeah.
went to,
Mm.
yeah, and then but other cultures, can you easily like adopt?
Adopt.
Mm.
I can't really say, miss, because I did not
Didn't
try.
try.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if ever you will go to other country, something like that, are
I
you
guess
willing to
yes,
explore?
miss.
Okay. What do you have any like anything that you're afraid to do?
Afraid of being no, miss. I'm
Adventurous.
yeah. I'm
Ah,
adventurous. I'm afraid, miss, to do it, but I will still
just try.
try.
Ah, okay. Okay, now let's talk about your attitudes toward dating and marriage. In dating, what qualities are you looking for in a partner?
For me, miss, I want mine to be family oriented also. Who is gentle and a caring one.
Mhm.
And plus points if he knows how to sing or play instruments.
Yeah, because you know how to sing so that
Yeah.
you can sing together.
Yes.
Okay, how important are these qualities to you?
It's very important, miss, because we have the saying happy wife, happy life.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they all, but when the man always say yes, mom, yes, mom."
Yes.
Always yes. But it's just you're lucky if you can get the man
Yes, miss.
that you're looking for, right? But not all can get that,
Yeah.
right? But once you're in love, you're in love.
Mm.
Okay, do you want someone who takes care of you or do you want to be independent?
I think it's both for me, miss, because independent woman needs to be taken care of also. Not all
Yes.
like not every time
We
you're
also have
independent on your
lows.
own.
Not we're not always on the high
Yes,
time.
miss.
Especially on the red
Yes, miss. Super.
times. Like we're so moody. Like everything, the food, the
Yeah,
things,
miss. And
even
you
though
cried without
y-
any reasons. Like,
yeah.
oh my god, this is so weird.
Yes. The hormones.
Yes.
Okay, do you want to have a home and children or is your career more important?
For now, miss, career is more important.
Mhm. I
Maybe,
understand.
yeah, because I'll think of it if I am ready and stable.
Stable.
Mm.
Yes, that's right. Everything you can do everything once you're stable,
Yes.
right? And it's so nice when you're stable and you're making your own family and
Mm.
you can get or you can give whatever they want,
Yeah.
especially your kids.
Mm-mm.
Mhm. Sometimes the mother instinct, you cannot buy anything for yourself. It's all about
About
your
your kid,
children
yes.
and your partner. Okay, how do you view the role of a husband and wife in a marriage?
Again, miss.
How do you view the role of a husband and wife in a marriage? What is the role of a husband and a wife in a house, in one home?
Mm, Being a good parent to your
Yes, but what
children,
is the role of a husband, of a man?
a husband to take care of his wife, miss, to provide for his family.
Mm.
And then
And
for the wife is to take care also of his husband and her kids.
yeah, actually, they say, what they call the haligi?
Haligi ng
Tahan.
yung ilaw ng tahanan like
Yeah, the
that.
mother is the light of the
Yeah,
house, but the man is the what we
haligi,
call
what do you call
uh, the one who protect, the
Mm,
one who will provide for the family. Because actually, woman, the husband and wife can do everything
mm.
together. Anything the wife can do. What the man can do, the woman
Woman
can
can
do
also
also, right? Okay. Do you consider yourself as a feminine?
as a
Feminine.
yes, miss.
Oh, yeah. So you like wearing clothes that is really girly,
Yes,
putting
miss.
some makeups,
Mm.
or you're so kikay, something like that.
Yes, miss.
Okay. What are your long-term goals for a relationship?
Long-term goals. I think, miss, the number one is the trust.
Mm-hmm.
I really want to have trust, no more. I guess white lies is just okay, just a little
Yes,
lies.
yes.
But the trust is really for me, miss.
Yes, that's important. It's really important to have trust to each other, no? Especially when you're in a relationship. That you're not afraid when one of you will go out,
Yes.
that you can trust each other.
Mm.
Ah, okay, he or she cannot do it.
We are constantly hearing from guys who found the wrong Filipina because they did not know what traits to look for. The purpose of these interviews is to show you what a good Filipina thinks and feels so you can better recognize the good ones. If you are looking for a good Filipina, visit pinaywise.com/good or click the link in the video description.
He or she cannot do anything bad because I trust
Trust
him
her.
or her. Yes. Okay, how about what do you hope to achieve in a marriage?
Happiness, miss. I know
Happiness.
you know, there's a lot also about it's not about happiness, but that's the number one that I want to achieve
Yes.
in.
Oh, yes. It's so important for a family to be happy together when your children will not saw you or see you fighting each
Yes.
other, hurting each other, because it will really affect your children, and it will may affect their mental
Yes, miss.
stability also. Yeah, that's right. Happiness is so important also than the
Yes.
money, but of course money will make you happy also.
Also.
That's life. Okay, what would you be willing to sacrifice for the perfect relationship?
Sacrifice.
Yeah, what can you sacrifice to have a perfect relationship?
Forgiveness, miss. I guess.
Forgiveness.
Yeah.
Okay, so if ever you mean forgiveness, that if your partner something
Something.
that you don't like,
Yeah.
you can still forgive him
Yes,
because of
miss.
love.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. That's not easy, huh?
Yes, miss. Really.
That's not easy to forgive someone. Yeah, but maybe it depends on the situation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Depends on what he do.
Do. Okay. What makes a Filipina special in a relationship versus other nationalities? What do you think that we're special versus other nationalities?
For me, miss, we're special because the love that we have,
Mm-hmm.
and the other not, what do you call
The
it?
love that we have is until our bones will
Yes, miss. The way we care is not like the way the others,
others. Yeah.
other like
Because we
region.
can do
Yes,
everything
miss.
for our partner that we really love,
Mm.
right?
Not only for our partner, miss,
Mm,
for
for
friends,
others, friends,
family.
and also the families, right? Because we did not just love the person that we're seeing. We also love the family of that person,
Yes,
the friends
miss.
of the person. Yes, okay. Now let's move on about the attitudes toward dating a foreigner. Have you ever dated anyone online?
Online? No, miss, because I'm afraid. It might be like just using someone's face and then I'm
Uh-huh.
talking to someone. So
Ah,
I
okay.
didn't try to date someone online.
Okay. So if ever you want to meet a foreigner, you want to meet them in person,
Yes, miss.
not online.
Um, it's okay also online if,
Video call.
yeah, so that I can
Like,
see the
the
face.
real face. But now
Yeah.
AI now is so good, so freaking good. Like they can do everything. The
Mm. Then
AI.
when you see them in the personal, you were just like,
Oh,
is that
yes.
you? Right?
Yes. Okay. If ever you will date someone online, how long would you want to get to know them before meeting them in person?
Maybe it depends, miss, on how he will treat me. Like,
Mm-hmm.
even though it's just online,
Mm-hmm.
he still have a care, for
Mm-hmm.
me. So, it depends.
Okay. What is your thought about LDR or long distance relationships?
I really can't say, miss, LDR, but you know, trust, still trust.
Mhm.
Because it's not easy to have a long distance
Distance
relationship.
relationship because you
And then
cannot
you just met someone online and
online, yeah. Because you cannot see each other
yes,
24
miss. You don't
7.
know what he's doing there.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah. The most important, especially when there's a long distance relationship, is to have trust again
Yes.
to each other. Okay, would you consider dating someone older than you?
Yes, miss. Why not? Older is much a matured one,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't usually like, you know.
Yeah, younger than you.
Yeah.
That you're like hey, are you my aunt or something?
Yes, miss.
Okay. How about um how much does age matter to you?
How? What do you mean by how much?
How much does age matter? Did age matter to you? It
Mm,
not
I
really.
don't know. Yeah, not
Not
really, miss.
really. They're okay as
Mhm.
long because when you're in love, will not matter
Yes, miss.
anymore. Okay. Have you ever dated a foreigner?
Mm, half only, miss. Yeah,
Ah,
just a half. Yeah.
okay. Half foreigner.
Yeah.
And how long did you stay together?
That's just I think for
Ah,
months.
for a
For months
month. And
only.
then after you separate ways
Yeah.
already. How about what was your experience about the dating?
For me, miss, I guess that was just a
Just
puppy love because
popular.
I was still in high school that time.
Ah, I see.
Yeah. So, but it's okay if it's you're still new, but the longer it gets, I will just like, okay, let's stop this. Pero
Yeah.
it depends on the person.
Okay. Would you want the foreigner to move to the Philippines or do you want to move to his country?
It depends on him, miss, if he wants to move here, but we can just,
Uh,
sideways if you
yeah,
want.
going stay
Mm,
here in the Philippines and go back to
yeah.
his country. Okay. What are your thoughts on dating a foreigner compared to a local Filipino man? Do you think what are their difference?
I guess they are more like gentle. They I guess they give you more like the happiness that you want because other Filipino in our generation miss do not expect something.
Not all,
Yeah,
right?
not all, but
Yeah, but for you, foreigner treat you better.
yeah.
Okay. What are the advantages of dating a foreigner versus a Filipino man?
What's it?
What are the advantages if you date a foreigner and a Filipino man? What do you think?
I guess the advantage of dating a foreigner is like I don't know, miss. I can't really tell.
Yeah, you can't really tell because you don't have
Yeah,
experience.
I didn't
Yes.
experience one.
Mm-hmm. But for what do you think? You just think only one.
The advantage is I guess you will be happy in
Mm-hmm.
for the both miss. I guess you will be happy because it depends on the person you're dating with.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now let's move on about dating obstacles. How strict is your family about dating
They're really strict, miss. Like they want me to graduate first before I date. But
before you date? Okay.
that one, the puppy love that I have in high school, it was just a secret and they don't know
They
about
don't
it.
know.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you consider yourself as no boyfriend since birth or no?
No, miss.
You have some secret lovers
Yeah.
also. Your mom will watch here, and your pop and your father. Okay, will you be embarrassed about being seen with a foreigner, if ever?
No, miss. Why would I?
Mm-hmm.
Like I didn't do anything wrong
Mm-hmm.
about it.
Yes, that's right. As long as you're not doing bad
Yeah.
and you love each other, why you'll be embarrassed, right? Would you embarrass about dating or marrying a foreigner?
No, also miss. Actually.
Why?
Because I have an auntie who is married to a foreigner, so there's no wrong about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They you saw them that they're in love to each
Yeah, they're
other.
really in love, miss. Not
Mm.
the other, people who only date because for
For the money,
yeah.
yeah. So they love each other
Yeah,
because
they
they love
really
each
love.
other, not for the money.
They already have two kids.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, sometimes there is a lot of gossip or accusations from friends and neighbors about dating a foreigner. Would this bother you?
No, miss, as long as I know what I do, so they can't bother me.
Yeah, because sometimes there's always be a misconception that when they saw you dating a foreigner, they always say, they date that foreigner because of the
Money,
money.
yeah.
Maybe it's not because of the money. We date that person because we love them, right? Because we saw something special to them,
Yes,
right?
miss.
And then why would you? That's what I am talking to you a while ago. Don't let people affect you about the accusation, because it will, if you let them gossip you or affect you, you know at the end of the day it will, um how do you call this, bother you,
Mm.
right? Okay, now how important is family approval when it comes to choosing a partner
It is very important, miss,
for you?
because yeah.
Yeah, because you're a family oriented person.
Mm. But for me, I don't have problem with my family because they don't actually choose
Mhm.
someone for
For
me. If
you.
I love that person, they will
Okay.
approve it. Yeah, they are
Yes.
okay with it.
Yeah, the only one thing that they're asking you is for you to graduate first
Yes,
before you
miss.
date
And to
someone.
choose the right one. That's what
Ah,
they want.
okay. How do you think your family and friends would react to you dating and potentially marrying a foreigner?
For my family, I guess if it's good for me, then it's okay for them.
Mm-hmm.
And to my friends, maybe at first they will
Shock.
laugh,
Love and
but
shock.
it's normal.
It's normal. Yes.
That's what friends are for.
Bashing each other.
Yeah.
Okay. What role does your family play in your decision making process about relationships and marriage?
No, again, miss.
What is the role of your family when you choose someone who will, about the decision making process about relationships and marriage?
I guess it's guidance, miss. They will still guide me all the
Mm-hmm.
way.
On how to
Yeah.
choose. Yes. Okay, how do you think marrying a foreigner would affect your relationship with your family? Do you think it will affect your
No, miss. I
relationship
guess
as your
no.
family when you choose a foreigner?
No, miss. I guess they will just be happy if
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy with my partner because I'm the one who choose it.
Yes.
So
And you will not choose a right person that will, do bad to you,
yes,
right?
miss.
Okay. Would your family expect support from your husband if ever you've been married?
For me, miss, I guess my mom is not like that. My family is not like that. That's why I'm
Yes.
so lucky to have them.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay, what are the expectations of your family regarding your partner and your future marriage
Their expectation, miss, is that one. I choose the right one, the one who will take
that will
care
love
of
you?
me. Yes, the
Not
one who will
only you,
love
but
me.
also your family.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's move on about travel. About travel. Do you like travel?
Yes, miss. That's my number one dream. That's why
You take up that course
I want to be a flight attendant because I want to
to
travel to another
travel. Yeah.
country.
Have you ever left the Philippines?
Not yet, miss.
Not yet. If you could travel, where would you go?
I really want to go to Japan.
Yes, many people, I don't know how, but oh, every person that I know, most of them, they really want to go or visit
Yes,
Japan.
miss. Japan is so nice and clean.
Yes. And maybe for me also, I want to visit Japan also because of the community that they have,
Yeah.
the food that they
Yes,
have,
miss.
the tourist spots that they have. Japan is so perfect for me.
Yeah. Also for me, miss, that's my dream country.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like learning about different cultures?
Yes, miss. I want to try. I want to
Learn,
experience.
experience
Yeah.
also. So you're not afraid of learning different
No,
cultures.
miss.
Yeah,
As
because
an adventurous person.
yes, because I think one of um role of an airline management is to adapt
Yes,
different
miss.
cultures because you will visit or travel to other countries also, right?
Yes.
Mm. Okay, do you adapt well to new surroundings and cultures?
Yes, miss.
Yes, you're
Yes.
easy, you can
It
easily
may
adapt.
it at first, miss, it might be difficult, but I will just put in my mind that I will go with it. I can do it.
Yes, okay. Now let's talk about your wishes.
Yeah, okay.
If you could find the man of your dreams, who would he be?
Mm, it should be someone, miss, or or like
There's someone like, for example, Brad Pitt,
something that
or maybe the attitudes that they're
I
looking for a
guess
man.
green flag, Alden Richards.
Or our local artist, Alden Richards.
Yeah.
Why? Why do you think Alden Richards?
It's the way he take care of Catherine, miss. You
Mm,
can see it na his green flag.
yeah, green
He's a
flag.
gentleman.
Gentleman. Yes, that's right. If ever, describe your life together.
I think we will be very happy living in one home. Wow.
Okay, if you had three wishes, how would you make your life better?
For me, miss, stable job. I mean, stable life, good health for my family,
Mm-hmm.
and then a nice partner.
A nice
Yeah.
partner. Yeah. But what for you, ha? I just want to ask you now. Which do you prefer if ever you'll get married? A local Filipino or a foreigner?
It depends, miss. I cannot tell
You
if,
cannot tell.
yeah.
Okay. What would make your life better?
What would make
Or
my
yeah.
life? I think my decisions.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So your decision will make your life better.
Yes, miss.
Okay. If some wonderful man was interested in you, would you be open to that?
Yes, miss. Why not?
Oh, you tell them, just message me why, and I
Yes.
will choose.
Just ping me, guys.
Okay, now how about your what would you like the viewers to know about the Philippines?
Philippines is like someone like we have a tragedy here, miss. Like typhoon. We still smile even though there's
Yeah,
yeah
problems and
problems,
tragedy
tragedy.
that we had. Yes,
Yeah,
that's right. That's one of the traits of Filipino people.
Filipino.
Always smile
Yes,
and make the bad thing to be a good
good.
thing.
Yeah.
Like when there's a flood, they do
Swimming.
swimming, even though there's a
Instead
lot.
of being sad, they
Yeah,
make it
happier.
happy. Yeah.
Yeah, even though there's a lot of garbage in the water, they keep
Yes,
on
they still
swimming and they do like what do you call this?
dive.
Dive. Diving. Okay. Anything you would like to say to all of the viewers from all over the world?
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you are happy of what we're talking about with Miss Maggie.
Okay. Now, um, this has been a lot of fun, right? Any advice you can give for those Filipina who is looking for a foreign partners, and any advice to foreigners who is looking for a Filipina partners?
For me, just for Filipino who is looking for foreigners, just be yourself and do not let the society um take up about the gossip that they will say to you. And for the foreigners who is choosing to have a Filipina, um pick wisely.
Yeah. Mhm.
Pick wisely because not all of us are have a good no good
Good
heart.
heart.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I knew someone, miss, that a Filipina was with her, and then she got all the money of a foreigner, then
They
leave
leave.
him. I
Oh,
was
that's
just like,
sad.
oh my god.
But not all Filipina
Yeah,
is
not
not.
all Filipina. That's why
There's a
I
really
say.
bad person who can do that. Okay, Faith. Before we start our video a while ago, I asked you if you have a serious boyfriend, right? Can you answer that now? Do you have a serious boyfriend now?
No, miss.
Oh
I'm
no,
single.
and ready to mingle.
Yes.
Ready to mingle. Okay. Maybe one of your next relationship will be one of our viewers here.
Yeah.
You can say hi.
Hi everyone. I'm single. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I would like to thank Faith for taking the time to speak with us today. And it has been very interesting getting her thoughts and feelings about Filipino life, cultures, and dating.
Thank you for all the viewers of Pinay Wise. If you like my video, please comment below and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you,
you so much, Miss
Faith.
Maggie. Thank you.
Nice talking to you.
Bye.
Put all your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We